What's going on YouTube? So this is a video of me showing you guys all of my fidgets because I do have anxiety. So let me show them all to you guys. Okay, so first let's start off with, by the way, all these are homemade except one. And first let's start off with these tangles. There's a watermelon one if you go, yeah, and then there's this blue one. This one's shorter, this one's longer. And they are made of pipe cleaner and beads. Then next is this. This is a marsh, a homemade marsh. So I don't know why I didn't staple it. I taped it for some reason. But it's out of a old sock, tape, and a bead. Then I got this bead roller. I made this one actually for my brother, but I have it. Then I got this other bead roller. And then I got this little texture feeling thing. Then I got these two. So this one is for like texture. And then this one's for like doing this. Me and my brother kind of share these, I guess you would say. Then these are like almost like my first ones, but it's all of tape, beads, and a Ziploc baggie. So I was trying to make a homemade marsh, but didn't really work out. And then this one you can just squeeze kind of. I don't know. Not the best though. Then this one I love. So we were putting up these little sticky things, and then I just decided to put one on a piece of cardboard. So there's that. Then next is this simple dimple I made. Then we also got this. It's kind of like a mold thing, so there's like a little toy in there. You just push it in and out. Whoop. So kind of like that. Then next is this push pinner. So not that my parents would pay for these. It's just that I like to make them. So it gives me something to do in the day. So yeah. And I'm probably going to be getting some fidgets for Christmas, but I don't know. And I actually made this one up by myself. So I put some hot glue right there, and then I cut up these little pieces of like paper, and then I glued them on, and then that's a fun little fidget. Then I got this one too. Fun. This so for the paper roll. Then my brother actually made me these two. He's only 7 years old, so he doesn't really know how to use that much stuff, but it's fun. You can just do that. And then there's a shorter one too. Then this one was actually my first ever fidget that I ever made. So it's this little crazy. I don't really like it though, because it's my first ever one. Then here's this. There's like a piece of baggy right there. And then there's this little thing on it. Don't really like it. Not my favorite. Then this one was actually my second one. And it's pretty dang good for my second one. I love it. Then here's this one. It's out of a stretchy straw, tape, and beads. It's pretty much just push back and forth. Not my favorite again. Then here's this one. It has cardboard and a bead in the middle, and so you just like roll it around. Then this one was like my third one, I think. So you just pretty much just do that. Not my favorite either. Then we got a bigger one of these texture things. So yeah. And I don't know why there's cardboard in there. Then there's this like I made this one up by myself. So it's called a drainer. So you pretty much put water in a baggie. Then you pretty much like squeeze it up. Then you let it like drain back down. So I named it a drainer. So that's really fun. Then I got this ball. It has like flour in it. Homemade Swiss ball. Then this one I also really like. So you lay it down. Then you pretty much, and then there's dish soap in it and glitter. So then you just play with it. Plus you can also wrap it up like this. You can also play with it like that. Then there's this water one. You kind of just lay it down and play with it. Or you can just kind of do anything with it. I like to do, like, wrap them up like this. Kind of, and just, like, play with them. Like, take them up. And then there's this one. Was my brother's draining one. I don't know why it's in here now. But, yeah, it was my brother's draining one. But I guess I got it now. Because I make fidgets for him, too. I got two brothers, too, by the way. Then this is, like, my only not homemade one. It's a fidget spinner. Then I got this balloon filled with water in it. And then there's a rock in it. So then you can kind of, like, play with the rock and stuff. Fun. Then there's this one. I think this one was like my fourth one. Something like that. There's beads inside of a old sock. This one is my favorite. It has beads inside the balloon. It's my favorite. Then there's this one. I put some cotton balls in it. I don't like it. Then there's this one I made. It's kind of fun, kind of fresh. Then, hold on, I got one. Oh wait, I got two more actually. So I made this one last night of a little bag. It's actually really fun to play with. Sorry guys, I'm trying to get another one over here. Wasn't in my drawer fidgets. So I made my own poppet out of a egg container. I washed it out and everything. So yeah. But that should be it for this video. Hopefully you guys start liking my videos. This is only my third video, so I'm not expecting no one to view it or like it or subscribe. But yeah, I love this one though, by the way. I'm sorry. But that's it for today. Hopefully you guys had a great day. Please subscribe, like, and turn on those notification bells. Please subscribe. I love you guys, even though that there's nobody here. I know. I'm just making these for fun. But hopefully you guys had a good day. Bye!